Hello, food lovers. Today, I will be sharing a delightful Nigerian recipe boiled yam served with garden egg sauce. This is a traditional Nigerian dish loved for its rich flavors and versatility. Whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this recipe is sure to impress. Let's get started. Ingredients for this recipe: you will need yam peeled, garden egg chopped, onion sliced, tomato sliced, pepper sliced or blended with tomatoes, fresh pepper, fish optional, salt and seasoning cube, vegetable oil. Method: cook the yam. Start by boiling the yam, peeled and slide or cut into size of choice. Salted water until soft and tender. Drain the water and set the yam aside. Once the yam is cooked, prepare the garden egg sauce. Wash your garden egg thoroughly, boil them until soft, and peel off the skin. Blend or mash them into a smooth paste. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan. Add the sliced onion and fry until translucent and fragrant. Add the sliced tomatoes, tomato paste, and fresh pepper. Fry until the oil separate from the mixture, creating a rich base. Add the blended garden egg paste into the pan and stir well. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Then season the fish and fry the fish until golden brown. Shred your cooked or smoked fish and mix it into the sauce for extra flavor. Season with salt and seasoning cube to taste. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Serve the hot garden egg sauce over the soft boiled yam. The creamy smoking flavor of this sauce blend beautifully with the yam. Stanching goodness. If you like this recipe, give it a try at home and let me know how it turned out. Did you add your own twist to the garden egg sauce? Share your experience in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting recipe tips. Happy cooking. Please, I am begging each and every one of you, please, as you subscribe, please always engage with my channel. It makes the YouTube algorithm to recognize my channel. If not, my video will not be suggested to anyone. Please, your support means the world to me. Help me to reach my goal. Please, I am begging everyone, please engage with me. Your like, your comment means the world to me. If you are watching on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, please engage with my page so that the Facebook and Instagram, TikTok algorithm can recognize my page. Otherwise, my page or my video will not be shown to you on your feed. Please guys, support me with your like, with your comment, with sharing, so that my page can be recognized by the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok algorithm. God bless you all and stay blessed, and see you in my next video. One love to you guys. Bye.